Let's have it.
Come on, boys. Come on, lads.
I'll stay a solid bit.
He's doing what he knows. Yeah.
Guess we kick it.
Okay, boys, let's go. Okay, Redditch, yep.
Catch me, bro, catch me, bro. We go from there, let's go.
Same again, boys, same again.
Yes,
Advantage. Red ball advantage. Knock on only, knock on only.
Hang on the rock, hang, go left. Go left, Cal, go left.
Ross on this one.
I've got slow, Go.
Advantage over. Backwards. Off your feet, blue. Straight off your feet. Back 10. On the line, on the line, on the line. On the line, yep.
Okay.
22 or scrum here.
Let's go, the boys.
Give that. Keep breath, all good. He bit so much.
It's your mark, yeah.
Don't rush it. All good, Ted, all good. Come on then, Sam. Don't.
Okay, gentlemen, this is your first scrum. Make it a good one. Keep your head above your hips. Driving straight.
Come on, Sam, come.
Hold this push, lads.
Are we settled, gentlemen? Coach! Bind! Let's go again.
Yes, of course.
Come on, the weight's coming on too much, blue.
Push, lads.
Hold the weight.
Hold it tight, you three. Come on. Hold the push, boys. Let's get this sink a bit better.
Let's go then, Rick.
Hold your push. Who's in?
Let's go again. Crouch! Bind! Set!
Hold.
Free kick. Pushing early. Back 10. Kicking the ball away.
Keep going, lads.
Full penalty.
Take your time.
Kicking the ball away.
Take your time.
Keep coming, boys.
Silly mistakes, gentlemen. Don't do it.
Boys, on me.
Post.
Wait, boys, quickly, no silly pens. Pack, when we're moving like that, hold it, then go again. Go again on the push, yeah? Go again on the Go again then. Stop, boys, go, Josh! Back in there, half.
Just a silly mistake. Well, just silly mistake.
To be fair, sir, I just dropped it.
Yeah, just silly. Just don't do it. Thank you.
Right, King.
Advantage yellow.
Come on, JJ! Right, tackle. Phil, middle, Phil. Yes! Phil, step up.
Still advantage.
Give me sword.
Good luck,
Still advantage. Okay, it's over here. That's okay, it's just a scrum. Blue forward. No. Off a blue hand, forward. No advantage.
Don't push till that ball's in. Yeah. That's so nice. I'll go call it, boys. Let's go.
Just went forward. Over here, please. There's your mark.
First thing we hold.
They're not give us nothing.
That's your mark.
Let's go then, boys.
Get low then, yeah. Get low. Nice and low,
Call
lads.
us when it's in.
Hold that push until
One
we're
more
in.
call, boys. Let's go.
Two's in.
Crouch. Bind. Set.
Hit 2, 3. Hold. Hold. That's fine. That's good, Sam. And back. Nice, Sammy.
Knock on the yellow hand. Blue.
Well done, Sam. Good stuff, Sam. Good, Sam. Good work, boys. Good, Sam.
Let's go.
There's your mark.
Why, Dave? Their time. Lucy's straight in. Okay. Sir, could you just watch this side so our coach can...
Yeah, I don't tend to listen to coaches. I do my game.
No problem.
So you can tell him from me that I'll do my game.
Let's go. Let's go the boys. One more call. Let's go.
Otherwise you'll complain about what's happening on this side of the pitch. Do you get me?
What's the plan? Two's in. Guys, tighten up. Guys, stop pulling.
Yeah, stop pushing. Stop. Yeah.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
Guys, you're swaying everywhere. Tighten up, yeah?
I said to you at the beginning, I'm not going to move to each stage until we get that settled.
Okay.
So get your second row to be more settled.
Yeah. Settle in, lads, settle in.
Okay.
Get your legs back. You're not yet. When you're stepping up, you push your forward both out.
Okay. Let's try again. Coach. Bind.
Squeeze.
Set.
2, 3, 4. Ready. And now. Round 2, Merrill. Keep pushing. Keep going. I'm with you. Well. Now go off. Oh, lucky. That's lovely. Go.
Advantage yellow. Advantage for the knock on.
Break, yes. Yeah, we're here. Just Will, I'm with you. Come this way. Yeah, with me. Next one. Yeah! Leave it. Boys, look. Yeah, pass. Go, Thomas.
Advantage over. 12, too high.
Sir, can I just ask, have you got to release the ball there when you get
Hold.
Take time. Hold it. Go. Sir?
No, that's not 10.
Keep going, sir. Come with me. Come in, Ed, move.
This is 10.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good lad, sir. Does he have to release when he's made that first tackle wrong? Does he have to release?
Well,
It's just a point of a no.
he sort of did as he sort of got up. He sort of did, and I'm happy with that. Yeah. Clear release is what you're asking about.
No problem, sir.
I don't know where the touch. I did.
You got a liner?
You did have. Where's the line? Oh, he's over there.
Oh, he's getting on your flag, sir.
On the mark over here. Oh, okay. Thank you. I thought he just dropped it. Okay. So I said I'd give you your defensive, so that's yours. Okay.
Joshie, space up. All right, sir.
Let's walk in, please, gentlemen.
Yeah, down, Teddy. Yeah, there we are. We're there.
Ball's available.
Keep pulling on.
Is that out? Yes, out. Bring that slow pace, bring that back. Next one. So we're there. Onside. Out of the way, please. Ready. Sorry.
Leave your hands there. 3. Leave him.
Ready.
Can't play that. You can't play the 9. You can't play the 9.
Sorry, I got excited.
Silly error. Silly.
Stay calm, boys. Stay calm. Giving them territory. No, steady. Stay calm. Nothing stupid.
Go on, boys, keep our heads here.
On the line, yes?
Where, sir?
Thank you. Let's go, boys.
What's your numbers, lads? 5.
It's just silly errors by your people at the breakdown. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'm telling you as pack leader. Okay, that's why. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Boys, take your step.
Get in there now. Wait, Greeny, come in a bit.
Don't change your mind, 7. That's once.
I'm in. He's on the deck.
Okay, it's unplayable.
Boys, back him up.
Unplayable.